Good afternoon. Today, Tallulah is getting a major deep clean. One thing the pandemic did, it forced me to buy a steam cleaner. I used to get someone else to detail it at least once or twice a year, but now I'm not working full-time anymore. I'm kind of like semi-retired, so I've got a little bit more time on my hands. That's not why I had to get the steam cleaner, but I do the carpets inside at least once or twice a year, and when I tried to do that last year, they wouldn't rent me the steam cleaner anymore, so they've lost my business forever. Get all these nasty spots off from eating in the car and it falling in between my legs. Can't really tell too much here. The back seat doesn't look too bad, but up close and personal, it's got some spots from things that my grandkids spilt. The mats are disgustingly dirty, so I'll definitely be cleaning that out. And of course, the console's got all kinds of crap in there. So the organization part of it held up pretty good. The only thing, look at this. All those masks everywhere. So I'm going to do something about that too. So just wanted to give you a quick before here, and I'll get started taking everything out. So here we are in the trunk. It hasn't changed too much from before. I still have my knapsack there and my trunk organizer with bags and other stuff. I am going to be removing my snow brush, and actually I'm going to take everything out and go through everything and reassess whether they still need to be in my car. Okay, so I got everything taken out. I vacuumed everything, and I've actually given down all the vinyl and plastic a wipe down. So now I am going to use this handy dandy carpet cleaner to clean out all the upholstery and the carpet in the car. Okay, so I finished steam cleaning all the upholstery and carpets. I had to do this seat twice to get all the stains out, so I think that's all I'm going to do today. I'm kind of tired, so I'll come back and finish it up tomorrow and give the mats time to dry. Good evening, everyone. Just thought I'd give you a quick tour of my car and go over the organization things that I have in it. If you've seen my last car organization video, you'll probably notice that some of these things are still the same. I still have my CD holder there, car wipes, and a dust mitt there. And in my center console, I got some gum, a couple of shopping bags, little flashlight, and underneath there is a shopping cart coin thing. I put my napkins like this so they're easy to grab like that. Just put them on top like that. Got a little bit of change, not too much. I still have my pouches here with my medical stuff in that. That's like Band-Aids and whatnot. My tech bag. So I've got my phone charger, and I got some earbuds, and I've got a few extra things too, like air pressure tester thing. What else? I got a carabiner, and I also have my compass in there. In my personal bag, I've got like nail clippers and hairbrush and dental floss, and sometimes I have some chapstick type stuff too. In this little bag here, it's called Front Row, I have extra utensils, some condiments, that kind of thing, because we're eating in our cars a heck of a lot more these days. So yeah, so that's a little bit changed there, not too much. So I will just put that back there, and then we'll go on over here. Now, there's a couple of new things. I have my mask clipped onto there when I'm not using it, but it's handy when I need to go into a store. And I have some hand sanitizer there, and a couple of coasters. Those I had before too, and the little trash can over in the door there. So that's still the same as before. Up here I have the Kleenex box there and the garage door opener. Just have my sunglasses in there. Hi. And in here I've got my GPS. I got a couple of notebooks if I need to write some notes, and there's a pen down there too, and of course the car manual. So, and I did have some extra masks in there, but I guess I used them all up. Oh, and in this side pocket thing here, I have my gas receipt book and a pen to mark down my mileage. So that's it for here in the front, and we'll go to the back. Not too much has changed back here. I still have my umbrella in that pocket there. But I did also get some hooks for my purse, so or a knapsack or a bag or whatever I want. I've got one facing the back right now. When I'm by myself, I can just put my purse at the front there. So those are new. Now the trunk in the car here has undergone the biggest change here. I've got this new organizer tote thing. It also has this cooler bag that comes out. Right now I just have shopping bags in there ready to go, and I have my emergency kit there. I've got extra wipes, and this is just water for cleaning up spills. Comes in very handy. A little blanket here, a little toolbox, duct tape, tape measure, screwdriver, and off Skin-tastic, and an extra windshield wiper. This is also new here, not the blanket. I always keep a blanket here, but I am keeping the extra booster seat here for when I have my granddaughter. Yeah, so my life has changed quite a bit. Oh, and underneath here, I should open up in here. I keep my booster cables down here, an extra towel, tie downs for when I had the trailer. I also, way in the back there, I have an extra pair of shoes if I ever need them, and extra wrench thing, the trailer hitch here, the extra lug nuts, the usual stuff you find in the trunk. Oh, and this side here I have a safety vest. I don't actually use that very often. Not usually out much late at night when I need it, but I figured you never know if I have a flat tire at night and I'm trying to change it. I definitely want to wear that. Normally I have an extra pair of work gloves in here, but I had to take them out and wash them because they got kind of dirty. So anyway, so that is it for my car organization now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.